I'm Colin McGurran. For the last 15 years, I've owned and run my business, Michelin-style restaurant with rooms, Wintringham Fields. I'm planning to pass the reins on to my amazing team and take my family on our new floating home, The Recipe. I want to embark on a journey of discovery to explore some new delicious foods, new styles of cooking and meet some other chefs. I'm eager to experience other cultures while educating my 3 girls as we go.
I thought they were joking.
I don't think I'm looking forward to a contrast to my day-to-day life. I'm looking forward to a new adventure.
Okay, we have arrived in Gran Canaria, Las Palmas Marina. It is chock-a-block with boats. Everyone's doing the arc. So while we're here, we are here to do the arc. So we have got our inspections, got to make sure that all our safety checks are done, our life rafts, our life jackets, our AIS, all our electrical systems. We're actually getting a new upgrade of Ray Marine charts, radios, radars, just to make sure that we are super safe to cross the Atlantic. Our old ones were a little bit dodgy, so we've just replaced them. The boat's looking a bit of a mess. Unfortunately, I have not caught a fish, which means that I need to jump in with my birthday suit on at some point. It's a little bit chilly, so I'll have to brace myself, or hopefully the girls will forget. So yeah, we're going to be going to see a live demonstration of a life raft, how to inflate it, which is going to be super interesting. We're going to be doing that soon, and we have canyoning. We're going to do some canyoning. That's up in the hills somewhere, so we look forward to getting all that done. The first things first, we need to wash the boat down and get it ship shape ready for our inspection.
That was fascinating. I mean, how lucky. Thomas is incredibly generous with his, he's an incredibly generous person, obviously, but he said we could come and join in, and it was great to be able to see it all actioned, and just see the life raft and have the children have a view to it. I mean, you can talk about things, but in the heat of the moment, if you've not seen it, I think it's no end of good. No end of good. What do you reckon?
We're not going to use it because we're all going to be fine. But
Well, you use it when you are all going to be fine.
yeah. But I'm glad I've seen it. It was cool seeing it like inflate. It was like it just like burst and then it just folding out.
I thought it was going to be one of those. I didn't think it was going to be that good.
Yeah, I thought it'd be like when you try and get onto the D, you pull yourself up, but no, there's a ladder, so it's all good.
So the heat of the moment, when you actually do need to deploy a life raft, we've seen what it's like. We've seen how fast it will deploy, how fast it will inflate, what we need to do. For me, I feel a lot more confident knowing what's going to happen if I ever need to use it. Hopefully it's just useless information. Very important useless information, hopefully.
Easy pickle lunch.
So hi, my name is Lutz. I'm the the weird German on board. Going back to how we met, it was one little bit drunk night in Gibraltar. So I was just sailing. I just sailed down my own boat from the Netherlands, and I was done with sailing. 2 months sailing. It was like single-handed. It was like no more of this. And then so I got kind of stuck personally in Gibraltar, and then we guys met, and I thought, well, who is this crazy family? 3 daughters, 2 crazy parents, big boat. And obviously, talking to a lot of sailors in my life. Oh, it's 1 minute, right? Way too long, I'm getting too off.
Is that puggling?
If she goes in, you go in. Yeah.
Oh, does she really?
If she goes in, you go in. Okay.
Oh, look!
There is a time zone change between here and Mindelo. You will go back an hour. With the number of boats.
Full day of adventure today. We are heading out to the middle of Gran Canaria, to the largest volcano. We are going to do lots of canyoning, lots of abseiling, which we are very much looking forward to do after 5 days of sailing. We're looking forward to blowing the cobwebs off, getting out there, burning some fat and some calories. It's a little bit cold, a little bit rainy today, but I'm sure we'll be fine with our wetsuits on, hopefully. So yeah, let's get out there and do some adventure.
We are going to be jumping off cliffs.
This is a next activity. I like to keep them on their toes and look weird things to do. So we're canyoning.
Okay, we're going canyoning today, and we have had our guide is rallied off in a van, and we're expected to follow him, and we've lost him. So we are now in the mountains of Gran Canaria. Beautiful scenery, but we are lost. So we're waiting here in the rain, looking for Miguel. Where are you, Miguel?
I feel safe. We've been in windy roads and I've been sitting in the boots. And
Come on. Comfortable now?
I'm in my sea outfit and my extra chubby waist.
Well, you're looking hot.
Gonna record this splash.
the butt bung.
The butt bung, the Bex's butt bung.
Couple therapy. Let's go.
Couple therapy. Okay. You really have stopped it. You really have stopped it. That's a perfect ass shape.
That was so cool. At first you can't see anything, but then when you actually get strapped on, you see it's a huge dip.
Let him hurt himself. Good. I'm not pulling you off anything. Grumpy sod.
I found a 40 clever.
So we've just had a day canyoning, which has been really, really, really good fun. Everybody really enjoyed it. Colin and I are feeling a bit old though because our knees hurt and our elbows hurt. We're certainly feeling our age. And we're all showered, washed, and about to have a movie night actually. I think that's pretty essential.
I've been playing Monopoly with my friends, and now we're going to go to the pool in the marina, and then we're going to have fun.
This is one of Colin's many skills. Is Colin's boudoir.
Shh, don't put this one out. Everyone thinking Marie, pansy. Who's the best nail varnish or the nail polisher in the house? Yeah. It's my butchery skills, or I don't know what, my pastry skills.
He actually quite likes it as well.
We leave for Cape Verde on Sunday. Tonight is a farewell party with fireworks. I'm excited to go to Cape Verde because it's a change of scenery. We've been here 10 days, so I'm looking forward for a change of scenery.
Looks like you.
Thanks. I'm going to put toothpicks in his mouth to make it look scarier. Thanks.
We're coming to the end of our Las Palmas experience now. We're at the final stages of our experience. We are pretty much checking out. We need to get all the crew, passports done, stamped, check out, get the dogs all checked out, which is a bit of a ball ache. The boat is pretty much sailing ready. We went yesterday for a bit of a test sail with our new Ray Marine stuff, which was really good. I'm just fixing this hole in the side of the boat where this vent here has been knocked off by the big waves. So I've put a new one. I'm going to fit it. This is just from where the lockers leak water out. Last job on our list. Thanks for watching, guys. We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoyed this episode. Join us next week when we sail down the west coast of Africa to Cape Verde and join the Ark Part B. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next week.